Well, good morning everybody. Now, I've been absolutely smashing out the content recently, but it is only on one car, the S13. Now, although people have literally voted that this is the S13 series is the best series I've ever done, and I'm having so much fun doing it again. So if you haven't watched the S13 series, I would highly recommend jumping in. It's the best series I've done on YouTube so far, I believe. But I also know it's a very good idea to switch things up and give, you know, two different roads people can go down. They can watch this, they can watch that. So at the minute, I've only got the S13 stuff. Now, however amazing it is, I know that it's always good to freshen some stuff up. So I was looking for another cheap little project car. Now, I wanted it to be cheap because the S13 it's absolutely fucking rinsing me, to be honest. But I've got this one cheap. Now, it's cheap for a reason, because it is severely the most broken car I've ever bought in my entire life. Like this, I'm going to be doing things to this which I've never had to do to any car ever in my life. And there's not only one huge thing wrong with it, there's multiple things wrong with it. So, I've owned one before. If you saw my Instagram story, I put this up. If you're not from Instagram, what do you mean? So, without further ado, I'm gonna show you. Now, it's honestly, guys, it's like severely broken. It looks alright actually. No, it looks like a fucking piece of shit. But let's show you the new car. I've owned one before, and lots of you would have come from this car. So without further ado, let's show you the cheapest broken car. Not the cheapest car I've ever bought. Actually, it might be. Well, in terms of, you know, actually being grown up, probably it is. The most broken car I have ever bought. Yes, it's a Mark 6 ST, an ST 150. Now, you might look at it and go, that's battered. What you can see is not the main problem. In fact, what you can see to me isn't even a problem, you know? Yeah, okay, the wings, you know, they're fucked, both sides. I don't know what's happened. That's had a smash there. I don't know what's happened. The boot had a smash. I don't know what's happened to the car. How can you have 4 simultaneous dings, or they might be in different times, 4 simultaneous hits on each different side of the car? I don't know how that's happened, but the worst problem is something you cannot see. Let me try and show you. Can you see the issue yet? Yeah, it's not come with a battery. What a I'm taking the piss. Can you actually see it yet? No, me neither. Because do you know why you can't see it? Because apparently a conrod's gone through the fucking block and the engine's fucked. So, sick. And I was even more annoyed they didn't come with a battery. Seriously, that's like 20% of the price I paid for the whole fucking car. If it came with a battery, I'd be winning, but it didn't, so I've got to buy a fucking battery as well. The engine's gone. And what I've been told a conrod's gone through the block, or something's snapped. I don't really know the full story clearly, because how the hell can you have? It's not good. It's not good. It needs a new engine, and needs new wings, new boot lid, and that's only what I know. It could need so much more things, but I got this for pretty cheap. I got this car for £500. Now, a lot of people say, it's the cheapest in the country. I don't really like people to do that, because I'm pretty sure I can find one cheaper than £500, but it's pretty fucking cheap. How I got it for £500 was because he actually had this car up for braking. He had it up for braking, and I was like, So I messaged him, I was like, how much for the whole car? And he was like, 700 quid. I was like, I'll give you 5. And he went, alright, no worries. I was like, shit, what have I just done? Got a Mark 6 Fiesta ST for £500 with more things broken than not broken. I've just put my head underneath there, and it stinks of gearbox oil and other fluids. So we need a new engine. I'm actually going to, in the next episode, I'm actually going to put a battery on it try to start it and see if it starts. I mean, the engine's going in the bin anyway, so let's just have a little bit of fun. I want to see if it starts and how bad it sounds, or even if it does start, if it just turns over, if it's knocking. I kind of want to see, because I've never heard like a car, and I hope I never will hear this sound. I've never heard the sound of a car with a like completely fucked engine, and hopefully I never will have to hear that sound. So this is the new car. This is what we're going to be doing. First of all, we're going to be changing the engine. We're going to be swapping the engine out, and yes, we're going to do it here on this driveway. Am I crazy? Absolutely, but not scared. So this is going to be like a side project to the S13. So videos might not be as frequently they've been on cars in the past, but we've got it. It's here. It can't stay here forever. It needs an engine. So it will happen, but it's just going to be within the S13 content. So let me know if you're excited about this, and let me know let me know in the comments if you think this is too big of a job for little old Lockwood. But we're not scared. We're going to give it a go. It's getting warmer out, so I think it's good time to start. Thanks for watching, everyone. Love you all, and we'll see you in the next episode.